Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add Afterpay card to your wallet. Afterpay card is a digital contactless payment method that allows user to shop in store and online, splitting purchases into 4 equal installments over 6 weeks. It's not a physical card but rather a digital card added to a customer digital wallet. So how you can add to your wallet? For this, first open your Afterpay app, then from here tap on install. From this you will redirect it to this page. Now tap on set up the ClearPay card. Now you will see an option add to Apple Wallet, or if you use Google Wallet, then you will see here option add to Google Wallet. Tap on. Then here you will see your name and card number. Then to add the card, select next, and it will be a start to adding card. And then after adding, you will see this message card added. And that's how you can add a card to your wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like. Thanks for watching our video.